We all know how important vitamins are for our body to function smoothly. They also have some great impact on the way our skin looks. There are certain vitamins which are considered important when it comes to skin health. One among those is our vitamin C. I'm sure you all might have seen every beauty product commercial talking about the presence of vitamin C in their product. Did you ever wonder why is vitamin C so important? What does it do to our skin? Well, that's what the video is all about today. We are going to deep dive into the functions of vitamin C in keeping our skin healthy. Vitamin C has many benefits for the skin. It is a potent antioxidant that can neutralize free radicals. Because of its antioxidant properties, vitamin C aids in your skin's natural regeneration process, which helps your body repair damaged skin cells. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is a water-soluble nutrient that plays an important role in keeping your body and skin healthy. This incredible antioxidant has many benefits. Researchers have discovered that when it comes to healthy skin, topical vitamin C is significantly more effective than consuming it. It is no surprise that this potent antioxidant is commonly found in face cleansers, serums, oils, and moisturizers. Vitamin C is absolutely essential for producing collagen in the body. Collagen is the building block of skin, hair, muscle, and tendons, and it is what keeps our skin looking youthful and smooth. As we age, collagen production slows down, which may lead to sagging skin. When applied topically, vitamin C accelerates the production of both collagen and elastin, which helps keeps the skin plump and firm. Vitamin C may help improve skin complexion by reducing the appearance of dark spots. Hyperpigmentation, a common condition characterized by the development of darker spots on the skin, is most often caused by overexposure to the sun's ultraviolet rays and environmental stresses. Although harmless, hyperpigmentation can lead to an uneven skin tone. Vitamin C helps inhibit the production of tyrosinase, an enzyme that aids in the production of melanin, preventing hyperpigmentation. Topical vitamin C can help prevent premature aging of the skin, restoring a youthful, smooth appearance to the skin. Not only does vitamin C boost collagen production, which can reduce wrinkles and increase elasticity of the skin, but it also helps prevent the loss of collagen that results from natural aging. In addition, this antioxidant plays an important role in combating unwanted dark spots and preventing signs of premature aging caused by factors such as smoking, environmental pollutants, and chronic sun exposure. Studies show that vitamin C in the skin can help protect against UV damage. Exposure to UV radiation from the sun can create free radicals in the skin, which may damage skin cells and lead to the breakdown of collagen. This causes photoaging or premature aging. Signs of sun damage include wrinkles, sagging skin, uneven skin tone or texture, skin redness, and broken capillary. As one of the most potent antioxidants in the skin, vitamin C can help combat oxidative stress caused by excess free radical in skin cells. A study found that vitamin C was useful in treating uneven, wrinkled skin caused by prolonged or repeated exposure to UV radiation. Vitamin C plays a key role in the tissue repair and regeneration due to its anti-inflammatory properties and its ability to encourage collagen production. Without sufficient moisture, the epidermis or the top layer of the skin starts to dry out, which leads to itchy, scaly skin and premature aging. Hydration is vital to keeping your skin healthy and youthful. According to a study, vitamin C may play an important role in the formation of the outermost layer of the skin, enhancing the skin's ability to protect itself from water loss. Fortunately, vitamin C is clinically proven to help skin retain water, keeping it plump and smooth, preventing it from becoming too oily or dry. Blotchy, uneven, and red skin can result from a number of factors, including inflammatory skin conditions like eczema, sun exposure, hormones, and medical conditions. But you don't have to live with skin redness. Thanks to vitamin C, a research shows that this powerhouse vitamin minimizes redness. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, vitamin C also helps mend damaged capillaries that cause skin redness, creating a smoother, more even complexion. Now, wasn't that some really inspiring information to include vitamin C in your skincare routine? Now, let's see how to use vitamin C for your skincare. Whether your skin is dry, oily, or a combination skin, vitamin C is beneficial for all skin types, helping it look and feel healthier and younger for longer. There are two ways to use vitamin C for skincare: nutritional intake and applying it topically. Foods rich in vitamin C such as oranges and berries offer many health benefits. And while it's true that you can get plenty of vitamin C by eating lots of fruits and vegetables, dietary vitamin C generally won't provide enough for you to see a noticeable improvement in your skin. This is because dietary intake of vitamin C is sufficient to reach lower levels of your skin, but generally won't reach the top layer of the skin. Eating those tasty vitamin C rich foods isn't likely to help your skin get that youthful glow. It can certainly be great for the rest of your body. That's where topical vitamin C comes into picture. So, the topical vitamin C application is absorbed directly into the topmost layers of the skin, allowing it to get to work immediately on smoothing the skin, reducing fine lines and dark spots, and protecting against free radicals. Vitamin C is available in facial moisturizers and serums. Serums are more concentrated than moisturizers and more easily absorb into the skin, which is why more skincare specialists recommend vitamin C serums. For best results, apply vitamin C topically 1 to 2 times a day, morning and night. Be sure to apply a moisturizer with a broad spectrum SPF after vitamin C application for daytime. Follow the directions on your product's packaging, as instructions may vary from product to product. If you find your skin is sensitive to daily application, try starting with applying a low concentration a few times a week or every other day. Before you go all in on the vitamin C, test a patch of your skin with a lower concentration formula to see how your skin reacts. Some minor tingling is normal, but if you experience anything more intense, stop using the product and talk to your dermatologist. Vitamin C is generally safe when consumed in foods or applied topically. However, some people may experience irritations such as stinging, itching, and dryness after using topical vitamin C. This can be treated by layering a moisturizer over the vitamin C serum when you use it. In addition to moisturizing daily, if you have sensitive skin, you can also start with a lower concentration of vitamin C to observe how your skin reacts. Vitamin C is one of the most well-researched skincare ingredient. When you're young, levels of this powerful antioxidant in skin are abundant, but they naturally deplete as you age. Vitamin C skincare products such as serums and moisturizers can help supplement, leading to skin that feels firmer and has a brighter, more even complexion. When purchasing a vitamin C serum, look for dark bottles. Vitamin C breaks down when exposed to light or air. So, dark glass bottles help maintain its efficacy and stability. That's it for today. I hope this information will help you make better choices in improving your skincare routine and choosing your skincare products. Vitamins are really crucial in maintaining our overall health. I have made a detailed video about vitamin D deficiency. Make sure you're watching it. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. You can also share your views and thoughts about this video in the comments below. I would love to see your comments. Subscribe to my channel where you already have loads of such information. I will see you in my next video at RiVaa Foodz.